In this video, we're going to discuss another expected value example. 100 raffle tickets are sold at $1 each for the chance to win $50. Find the expected value of gain if you buy one ticket. Right, so first we're going to need to think through what is our probability distribution function, and then once we have a probability distribution function, we'll be able to find the expected value of that probability distribution function. Okay, so before we start thinking about what our probability distribution function is, let's think about what's our random variable x. All right, well, we're trying to find the expected value of the gain if you buy one ticket. So x then is going to be, the gain if you buy one ticket, right? So we're trying to find the expected value of x, right? So x then must be the gain if you buy one ticket. Okay, all right, so let's think through the possible values x could take, and then the probability of those values of x. Okay, so x could be, so let's see, you could spend $1 and get nothing back, right? So what would your gain be if you spent $1 and you got nothing back? Well, you lost $1, so that'd be -1, right? You lost $1, so -$1, your gain is -$1. What else could happen? What other gain could you have? Well, you could gain the $50, right? You could win the $50 that the raffle was offering. You win the $50, you don't get all 50 of it though. You still spent that $1 to get the 50, right? So really, your gain is $49. Okay, you still spent the $1 to get the raffle ticket. So even though they gave you a $50 gift certificate at the end of the day, you're still down $1 from buying the ticket. So your gain is only $49. All right, so now let's find the probability of each of these possibilities. If you lost $1, what's the probability of that happening? Well, 100 raffle tickets were sold. There's only one winning ticket, right? So this would be, chance of you losing are 99 out of 100, right? So only one winning ticket. So 99 out of 100 times you're going to lose. 1 out of the 100 times you're going to win. Now you should double check that the probabilities for this probability distribution function add up to 1. And they do, so you're good. You know that this is a probability distribution function. Good. All right, so now let's go ahead and calculate the expected value for this probability distribution function. The expected value is going to be the sum of x times p of x. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add a column here, or add a row, where it's going to be x times p of x. All right, so -1 times 99 over 100. That would be -0.99. Okay, 49 times 1 over 100 would be 0.49. So go ahead and sum up that row. The sum of that row, to add up -0.99 plus 0.49, what you get is -0.50. Okay, so this is the expected value, -0.5. So you could conclude, you'd say on average, you expect to lose 50 cents. So what does it mean on average, actually? So this means, this is one time that you played this game. Now, but say you like to play this lottery a lot, right? So on average, if you played this lottery all the time, sometimes you would win, sometimes you wouldn't win, All right, so sometimes you get the $49, but a lot of the times you'd end up with minus $1. Well, what we just calculated is that on average, you should expect to be losing money. You should be expected to be losing 50 cents.